I'm Shelly Turner with the Builderall team. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your email. So the first thing we need to do is go to Campaigns and Email Sequence. And then I'm going to go to Manage Campaigns. And then I'm going to find the email that I want to edit. I'm going to just look at this first email and work on editing that one. So I'm going to go all the way over to the right-hand side and I'm going to click Update. I need to make sure that the item is not active. If it's an active email, then I'm going to have to pause it and then I can edit. For example, this email right here, Shelly's template email, this is actually active and I would have to pause it before I could edit. But I'm going to go up here to this first one and I'm going to click Update. And here I just click Next and then Next again. And now I'm in the editing area where I can edit this email. So that's how you edit an email campaign in Mailingboss.